Hello and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, ready to guide you through today's most important stories. NewsRamp.com brings you curated business news from top sources, keeping you informed and ahead of the curve. A quick note before we start. This podcast is created using AI and AI voices, but all the news stories are real, and you can find the complete articles on NewsRamp.com. It's Monday morning, September 22nd, 2025, and we've got an exciting lineup of health, fitness, and wellness news waiting for you. So whether you're driving, taking a break, or winding down for the day, let's get right into it. Our first story today is
Biomed News breaks HeartBeam Inc.'s NASDAQ beat, first of its kind cable-free ECG offers multi-angle signal capture. HeartBeam Inc., traded on NASDAQ under the symbol BEAT, has introduced a revolutionary cable-free ECG device that captures the heart's signals from 3 different angles. This innovative system aims to improve the detection and monitoring of arrhythmias with high-fidelity measurements. Unlike traditional devices, HeartBeam's approach provides a more comprehensive view of the heart's electrical activity, potentially enhancing diagnostic accuracy. Patients can conveniently use the device at home, allowing for immediate recordings at the onset of symptoms, reducing delays in care. For more information about HeartBeam Inc. and their groundbreaking technology, visit their website at www.heartbeam.com.
GeoVax reaffirms commitment to evidence-based vaccine safety and development of GeoCM4S1 for vulnerable populations. GeoVax Labs Inc. reaffirms its commitment to evidence-based vaccine safety and the development of GeoCM4S1. The company emphasizes rigorous safety monitoring and the long history of the MVA platform. GeoCM4S1 is an investigational multi-antigen COVID-19 vaccine based on the MVA viral vector platform. It is being evaluated in Phase 2 clinical trials, focusing on immunocompromised patients. GeoVax's CEO, David Dodd, highlights the mission to develop vaccines for at-risk populations. The company stresses transparent science, safety monitoring, and collaboration with regulatory authorities. Ongoing clinical trials have robust safety frameworks and long-term follow-up. GeoVax is also developing vaccines for infectious diseases and therapies for solid tumor cancers.
Medical University of South Carolina professor to receive the 2025 Population Research Prize. Daniel T. Lackland, Dr. P.H. Fahey, professor of epidemiology and neurology at the Medical University of South Carolina, will receive the Population Research Prize at the American Heart Association's Scientific Sessions 2025. Dr. Lackland, a global leader in hypertension research and stroke prevention, will be honored for his contributions to cardiovascular science. His work on hypertension and stroke in underserved communities has led to significant improvements in blood pressure care. Dr. Lackland has authored over 350 peer-reviewed publications and leads national research studies on racial disparities in cardiovascular disease. His dedication to improving health outcomes and mentorship in the field make him a deserving recipient of this prestigious award.
NFL CPR Commitment Awards Super Bowl tickets and $50,000 in school equipment. 5 students and 5 schools have been awarded special incentive prizes as part of a collaboration between the American Heart Association and the NFL Foundation to encourage young people to learn hands-only CPR. Students who participated in the association's programs during the 2024-25 school year were eligible for prizes from the NFL, including tickets to Super Bowl LX and $10,000 for school equipment. The NFL vice president stated that this collaboration will ensure that young people are equipped to act in a cardiac emergency, strengthening the chain of survival and building healthier communities. The NFL Foundation has renewed their commitment to support CPR education for the upcoming school year, offering tickets to Super Bowl LX wine and fitness equipment makeovers. Parents and school administrators can visit heart.org/schools to learn how their students can participate. Rising medical mistakes in Maryland hospitals might be a language problem. Medical mistakes in Maryland hospitals rose by 5% in fiscal 2023, with 49 serious incidents resulting in patient death. The increase is attributed to post-pandemic effects and staffing shortages. The report suggests language barriers may contribute, as 26% of healthcare workers in Maryland are foreign-born. This issue was highlighted by a patient who experienced miscommunications during their 51-day hospital stay. Clear communication among staff, especially those with English as a second language, is crucial for patient safety and should be addressed by Maryland's health department to reduce medical errors. Psychological distress common after a heart attack may lead to future heart conditions. Research shows that between 33 to 50% of heart attack survivors may experience psychological distress, such as depression, anxiety, or PTSD, which can impact their physical recovery and long-term health. Those with persistent distress are 1.5 times more likely to have future cardiac events. Recognizing and treating these issues with strategies like cognitive behavioral therapy, antidepressants, stress reduction techniques, and cardiac rehab programs can improve emotional well-being. More research is needed to confirm the direct relationship between psychological distress and heart conditions, but addressing these issues can lead to better outcomes for heart attack survivors.
Celebrated nurse practitioner Collado Holtz shifts to surgical innovation. Celebrated nurse practitioner Collado Holtz has shifted to surgical innovation for long-term Bell's palsy management at Beauté Medical Aesthetics in Fayetteville. Specializing in non-surgical aesthetic treatments, the clinic focuses on providing expert Botox services tailored to each client's unique needs. With a commitment to enhancing natural beauty, Beauté Medical Aesthetics offers FDA-approved products and adheres to the highest standards of safety and quality. Clients seeking Botox services can expect personalized care, a focus on achieving a natural look, and a range of non-surgical treatments to enhance beauty and boost confidence. With a reputation for excellence and a dedication to client satisfaction, Beauté Medical Aesthetics is leading the way in the aesthetic industry, providing exceptional results that enhance natural beauty.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24-7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.